But first, this midday, we start with the latest on monkeypox as it spreads all across the country. Now, there is great concern about children becoming infected. New CDC numbers show almost 3,500 cases in the U.S., 268 of those cases right here in Georgia. And appointments to get the vaccine booking up within hours. Just hours after opening appointments, you'll now get this message if you try to book a slot on the DeKalb County Health Department's website. We know so many people are concerned about this, so we are getting you answers from top health experts here in Georgia. They want parents to know pediatric cases are expected to go up, but as our John Sherrick reports, the risk to children is still pretty small.
At a playground in Atlanta's Piedmont Park, parents watching their children and talking monkeypox, but not concerned.
Not to say we're ignorant to the fact that monkeypox is out here, but it hasn't really been put on our radar. Because of the demographic that we've been told that is really affecting, we're not really worried about it as far as our children go.
There have been at least 2 known pediatric monkeypox cases in the U.S. so far, but as cases overall continue to rise.
It's very possible that cases in children are going to increase. You got to realize in these 2 cases, there was contact with a person who was at high risk, who had the infection, and that led to the infection in the children. But you can imagine those children then going to school or going to day camp or something like that, and that could then spread it to other individuals.
Dr. Carlos Del Rio of Emory University's Infectious Disease Division says as long as infected people isolate, have no contact with others, they will likely not spread it to children or anyone else. Researchers still investigating the best treatments for children who do get it. Dr. Del Rio says statistically in the U.S. right now,
I'll be more concerned about my kid being shot than my kids getting monkeypox.
The pediatric monkeypox cases, he believes, will continue to be statistically small.
A fluke, an exception, and we need to focus right now on really getting vaccines out to the most affected communities, getting information out, and hopefully try to stop this outbreak.
And public health doctors are now emphasizing how crucial it is that people who develop symptoms, including the onset of a rash, get tested and then isolate, have no physical contact with anyone else of any age until they recover. That is usually 2 to 4 weeks. So as we mentioned, vaccination clinics are filling up very fast since that supply is so limited. DeKalb County's appointments booked up pretty quick, but they'll reopen appointments tomorrow at 9 a.m. for a clinic on Friday. There are also several other clinics planned for counties across the metro. You can find all that information right now on 11alive.com. We will continue to track the very latest on monkeypox and COVID-19. You can get updates on this and all the latest news and weather updates on our streaming platform, 11 Alive Plus. You can download it on Roku or Fire TV.